Hey, this is Overpass Insights. My name is Eric and I make apps. Now today I want to ask the question, are people spending more money on apps? So if you watched the last live stream, you may have heard me talk about the increase in purchases I've been seeing. So now that June is over, I've noticed that all of our purchases for June, both in-app purchases and app purchases on Google Play, are 20% higher than they were last year. In fact, it's really exciting to see more purchases coming in. Even though ad revenue is down from last year, purchases seem to be up. And I've also been, I see the purchases go up, and rather than just leave things alone, I start tinkering with things. Over the last week, I've been trying to increase the prices on some of my apps, going through putting some of them on sale, and actually putting ads on them. And by the way, if you've never raised the price of your app, you should. At least experiment with it. Sometimes you could be really surprised. In fact, I don't think any of you guys should be having a 99-cent or 99p in-app purchase or app out there without experimenting with raising it a bit higher. Right, so that's what I've been doing, and I've raised it all the way up to $10, all the way down, down to $4, just to see what works and what doesn't. And the nice thing about having a higher price, even though you have less downloads, is it allows you to do advertising. So your cost per conversion, you can actually do advertising to get people to use it, because if your cost per conversion is $3 to get a user, and you're making $2 off that user from a purchase, then it doesn't quite work. But anyway, back to the increase in prices, because I know, or increase in purchases, because I've noticed this happening even before I started tinkering with the price. That just sort of led to it, right? It's exciting because this is on existing apps too. This is not new apps that I put out there. What I find exciting about it is I wonder if the app market is starting to mature. In the same way that and I talked about this on Instagram, I've talked about this on the live stream. When we look at the early days of the web, right, when everybody was setting up their .com websites, people weren't ready to spend money on the web, right? They just were not ready to make those purchases. They didn't want to give their credit card details out. There was too much about the fraud and everything. But now, and then we had a lot of companies go out of businesses, a lot of websites crashed. We had that whole .com bubble burst and everything like that. But now everybody buys on the web. Now the market is ready. The market has matured and people are used to it. Everybody else was just too early. And I'm wondering if that's going to happen with the app market, right? People are more used to spending money through apps now than they ever have before. They're getting tired of the ads. They're getting tired of all the stuff. They're willing to just pay a few dollars and pay for something and give it a try than they were before. At least that's what I'm hoping. And that's genuinely what I believe is happening. So really exciting times. But I want to ask you guys out there, have you noticed this? For those of you guys who are not just free apps with ads, because that's a good strategy. I mean, it still makes me money, but hopefully we won't have to rely on ads so much if purchases start to take off. I'd much rather do purchases. So for those of you guys who are doing app sales or selling apps or in-app purchases, have you noticed this? Or is it just me? Have you noticed the cost going up? I'm not going to say specifically which apps people are buying, because then I get all the copycats and everything like that. But it seems to be across the board, to be honest with you. So anyway, let me know what you guys, have you noticed this? I'm really hoping that for those of us who stick to the game, those of us who stick with this through the hard times, it's going to pay off. We're going to end up having more in-app purchases, and this is actually going to work out for us. So anyway, let me know what your guys' experiences on that. And that is it for today. I'll talk to you guys again tomorrow.